Welcome back to TechnoTalks. In this video, you will learn how to download an entire Google Drive folder, including all videos, with just a few lines of Python code. No manual clicking needed. Without any delay, just get into the video. Head over to your Google Drive and locate the folder that contains your videos. Make sure the folder is available to download for anyone, and it should be anyone with the link. And copy the URL of that folder you want to download. Now open any text editor. In my case, I'm using VS Code. I'm creating a new folder on my system and opening it in VS Code. Now I'm going to create a new file to store all the code and videos. Now paste the Python code I've shared in the description or in our Telegram channel. You just need to replace the folder URL with your own. Next, we will install the required package using this command: pip install gdown. The gdown package helps download Google Drive files or folders easily using Python. Once you run the script, you will notice that the same Google Drive folder is created right here in your system with all files intact. In my case, I already had the same folder, so I'm ignoring and aborting the download. So that's all about how to download a complete Google Drive folder, including videos, with just one click using Python. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechnoTalks for more such useful tech hacks and tutorials. Also, join our Telegram channel and WhatsApp group for scripts, notes, and regular updates. All links are in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.